Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you few simple ways using which you can fix all Windows installer errors. To get started, simply search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type in this command and hit enter to execute it and wait for the process to finish. Once the scanning is done, simply close the CMD window and restart your computer, and this should fix the issue. However, if it doesn't fixes the issue, then proceed ahead with the next step. Search for services. From here, locate the Windows installer service, double click on it and start the service. Now search for command prompt again, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now I'll give these commands in the video description. You can find commands for both 32 and 64-bit. To find your system architecture, simply search for system information. Here in the system type, you can see whether your PC is 32-bit or 64-bit. So based on this, simply copy the command, paste it in the CMD window and hit enter. Now doing this shall fix the issue. However, if it doesn't, then you have to rebuild the Windows installer service. To do that, simply go to this link. I'll give the link in the video description and download this notepad file from here. So after you download it, you'll get a similar file like this. Simply open it. Click on file. Then click on save as. Now rename the file to msiexec.exe and save the file. You will get a registry file like this. Now open registry editor. Click on file, then on import and locate the file where you have saved it. Select it and click on open, and this will merge into the registry and this should fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.